Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving deep into the ocean to draw a beautiful jellyfish using mandala art. Say hello to our star of the sea, Jella the jellyfish. She does not just float. Oh no, she glides dramatically through the water like a royal queen. Every tentacle is like mandala legs, elegant, calm, and just a little bit fancy. So grab your pen, relax your mind, and let's create some underwater magic together. And remember, jellyfish don't rush, they just vibe and glow. Let's start drawing. And here we have tiny story for you while we draw. Okay. Jella the jellyfish always felt shy because she did not have sparkly colors like the fish around her. One night the moonlight touched the ocean and boom, all the beautiful mandala patterns inside her began to glow. Everyone gathered around and said, "Wow, Jella is the real ocean artwork." And from that day on, Jella realized you don't need to color to shine. Your patterns make you special. Yes. And we are done, guys. Look at our stunning mandala jellyfish. Does not she look like the most peaceful queen of the ocean? Yes. If you had fun creating this artwork with me, don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe for more relaxing and creating mandala drawings. Okay, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, keep creating, keep drawing, keep learning, keep smiling. Okay, bye bye and bye bye. See ya.